Hello, this is installing router. Click the restart button, and if the router is started, the lights will on together, just like that. And click the Internet Explorer. Then type on the search bar TP-Link-Login.net. Okay, then put the default username and password. Okay, then go to the wireless, then change the wireless network name, then save. Then wireless security, WPA, and make password. Scroll down, save. Next is DHCP. Then disable the DHCP. Then click DHCP, disable. Then save. Then after that, go to System Tools. After that, click the password. Put the default username and password. Then create new username and password, just like what you see in the video. Save. After that, put your new created username password. Okay. Right back to System Tools, click the reboot, then click again. Okay. Okay. Restarting. Just wait like that. That's very fast. And after completed, put again the new username and password. Just like that. Okay. Then we'll be done. Just like this.